Hello cabin build enthusiasts. We are excited to announce that we will be constructing another A-frame cabin using our prefabricated kit. This particular model features 2 bedrooms and will be built within a span of 7 working days, thanks to our efficient crew of only 3 carpenters. If you have been following our channel and watching our previous videos, you may recall that our walls are prefabricated, making the placement process relatively simple. While our carpenters are true masters of their craft, trust me when I say that anyone can learn to do it with practice over time. However, it's essential to be cautious with the pillars and apply sufficient force to ensure proper compression between them. In addition, this model boasts a spacious deck, which can be customized to suit the available construction site. The separator walls are also prefabricated, allowing for seamless interlocking like puzzle pieces. Though our carpenters excel at manually placing A-frames, having a crane on site speeds up the process significantly. To ensure structural integrity, the top beams play a crucial role in holding these large A-frames together. For this particular build, we utilized 2 of them. Remember, larger houses require substantial support. To simplify the process, we enlisted the help of Mr. Crane, making the task a breeze. We also added sub-beams to reinforce the overall stability of the structure. During the paneling of the roof, we needed an actual bottom frame to support the process. Our skilled carpenters skillfully handled this task. At this stage, our carpenters began paneling the roof. As always, our wooden panels are prefabricated with precise measurements, designed for easy assembly. The paneling process is one of my personal favorites, as A-frames predominantly consist of roofs. When the paneling is complete, the house seemingly emerges out of nowhere. As the pieces come together, you can visibly notice the difference, and the owner's face lights up with joy. After completing the roof, we proceeded to apply insulation solutions. Considering the region's extreme heat and rainy winters, insulation not only provides the residents with a comfortable living space but also protects the house from rain, moisture, and other potential damage. Although the delivered sheets were longer than required, we utilized a simple yet effective fix, cutting them to size. Believe me, a chainsaw is a versatile tool for any woodwork if handled properly. Once the metal sheets were in place, our house was almost ready. The final step involved installing the windows. The owner wasted no time and had already begun moving their furniture into the finished house. Please don't blame their enthusiasm. The house truly is remarkable. Now, allow me to take you on a short tour. Remember to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for more captivating wooden cabin videos.